Welcome, today I'm showing you how to change icon shape into a Samsung Galaxy S22 Plus. First of all, open your Play Store and find X icon changer application. This one. Need downloading and installing, so wait a second for install. And now click open. Now close ads, and from the list choose your application, maybe YouTube will be nice. Now from the library choose your new icon, maybe this one or another, maybe here, this one will be nice. Okay, so we got new icon of our YouTube and click OK in the top right corner. Wait a second for generating of new icon. And now we got add to home screen message, so for confirm to adding this icon, click add. And that's it, we got success message, so go our home screen and here we got our new YouTube icon. And that's it. Thank you for watching, leave thumbs ups and subscribe to our channel.